Hi, my name is Henry. I am in 7th grade and I go to Copper Trails. I'm all in for Avondale because I'm in the garden club, helping making gardens so we can grow more fruits and vegetables for everyone to eat. What I do in garden club is help make the gardens and fill up the gardens with all the soil that we plant the seeds in. Garden club also lets me be a leader in my community by helping other people with their gardens. It makes me feel good that I can care about something that isn't just me. I can care about everything around me also. I feel like everybody should be all in for Avondale because they can join clubs like Garden Club and help grow our community.